Very hot.
Ethan.
And I also have to probably.
Ethan.
It's hot. It's
hot.
humid. There are some spots that are seeing 115-degree heat index values at this afternoon. That's not stopping some of our area farmers markets from occurring. They occur on Thursdays. These specific ones, the Fort Bend Farmers Market over in Lawrence, although definitely not as many trucks, because normally we see a line full of trucks, not so much concrete here. So braving the heat safely is a thing for that farmer's market. And then the Westfield one's about to get underway at 5 o'clock. And as I show this in later newscasts, I guarantee the kiddos will be running through that fountain. Maybe the adults even, because that is a big way to beat the heat. And you have to when you have numbers like this. We topped out at 93 at the airport. We dropped briefly back down to 91. Same thing here at the station. Fisher's at 95, New Pal at 93. Humidity levels much higher than that in the lower 100s. Some spots approaching 112, 116 up in Marion, 117 in Spencer. Yeah, this is day number 4 of our heat wave, and that will go into a 5th day. And that's why the extreme heat warning has been extended another day. It was extended yesterday, and that will be allowed to expire for the time being 8 o'clock tomorrow night. And this hot dome is affecting millions of Americans. You have heat advisories, extreme heat warnings all the way from Maine through the Ohio Valley, the Great Lakes, and down into portions of the Deep South. This is a big hot dome here, but it's beginning to sag southward. It's beginning to break slowly. We still have ring of fire storms riding right along the outer edge of that hot dome. That's why portions of Iowa and Wisconsin and even Michigan yesterday had to deal with some severe weather. Over the last few days, the UP of Michigan had some tornado warnings. That is very rare for up there, but when you have an environment like this, it can happen. And as the hot dome breaks down, we will get some rain chances in here, the first of which will come tomorrow. A majority of your Friday will be dry. Highs again in the mid to lower 90s. Heat index values in the lower 100s. And then tomorrow night, notice that coverage will be low, but tomorrow night I won't rule out a few widely scattered showers or storms before the sun goes down. Around 30% coverage at that. Then we'll begin to dry out, and then Saturday, unfortunately, not the best news for July 4th. While 60% of your July 4th will be dry, getting into the peak heating of the day and into the early evening, leading up to fireworks time, grills will be happening. You get what I'm saying here. We're going to have scattered showers in here. Not everybody is going to get in on a storm, but it's going to be one of those days where will one of those storms line up at my house? Will one of those storms line up at downtown Fort Fest? Things like that. Not everybody's going to get it. We'll continue to nail down the timing, but I did do the uptick to the coverage overall, 60% across central Indiana on Saturday. Same story on Sunday, and then hit or miss showers and storms into next week too. The mugginess is going to continue too, at least through Sunday. And then next week, we'll slowly start to get a little bit better with temperatures getting into the 80s. And each day does come with a storm or two, but not as high of a chance heading into the weekend. And before we go, if you're watching and if you have any questions about any of the weather that we've had here, any of the weather that we had in June, or really just have a weather question in general, we are running another severe weather special coming up at the end of the month. And we want to hear from you guys and answer your questions as best we can. So send any of them to weather@fox59.com. You can reach out to us on our respective social media pages. It's going to be a great special. It's going to air at the end of the month, and we have to because of how busy the severe weather season has been here. Raphael.
Or to that special, Ethan.